Sure. Make me tell you something, if I kill you, no I kill, stop it. Gun you, no I bust lock it, don't come it your brother pocket. You see the rope with giant, you and your family not it. No let it go, grab it, let go you dirty habit. Can you not know when you go fall? If you pick me, them a ball. So it's best you live life and put you over. Don't wait why with your brother them, cause anything can happen. Let me tell you this.
This life has no guarantee, no guarantee.
That's why me care, me feelings from the ones that move
close to me, close to me.
So girl, from me love you, me I tell you now. I'm me watching it really to me, I make you know.
Cause you don't know if you are sick tomorrow. So make the most of today in this life.
This life is what you make it, but make the most of it, cause you don't know when Jah take it. No take it for granted, it's precious, it's sacred. Say how you really feel inside from today, kid. 3 letters for your J-O-E. Jehovah evil, I dot me a breathe. He was right there, know the worst nightmare. I know it's quite clear. I'm here to try share.
Please never let me go, never let me go. Jah never let me no. Please Jah no let me go, no let me go. No, please Jah no let me go, no let me go. Jah never let me no. Please Jah no let me go, no let me go. Cause in the roughest of time I jam a call man. Cause everybody else I stretch out them tall. And who no work with the devil, them go work up with the dragon. Some me go leave them till them own a soul to fall on. Me no want no girl when never did one man. Cause man a real original and man no carbon. Hey, them think them got it right when them all wrong. Yes, them all wrong. Whoa,
yeah. This life has no guarantee, no guarantee.
That's why me care, me feelings from the ones that move
close to me, close to me.
So girl, from me love you, me I tell you now. I'm me watching it really to me, I make you know.
Cause you don't know if you are sick tomorrow. So make the most of today in this life.
Let me tell you something, if I kill you, no I kill, stop it. Gun you, no I bust lock it, don't come it your brother pocket. You see the rope with giant, you and your family not it. No let it go, grab it, let go you dirty habit. Cause you don't know when you go fall. If you pick me, them a ball. So it's best you live life and put you over. Don't wait why with your brother them, cause anything can happen. Let me tell you this. Please never let me go, never let me go. Jah never let me no. Please Jah no let me go, no let me go. No. Please Jah no let me go, no let me go. Jah never let me no. Please Jah no let me go, no let me go. I'm for burning. Yeah. And I'm so blessed as the man that walk it not to the council of your God. And I stand in the ways of sinners and see them and see them stand. And I'm gonna keep your head on your body. Put your trust in the Almighty. Who Jah bless, no one can curse. Holy man will answer us.